Everyday makeup look. Very basic lang to. I will be using 7 items only. And I tried my best to use local products. Isa lang yung hindi local because wala talaga ako mahanap na kayang pumalit sa kanya. First of all, thankfully, naka-microblade na yung kilay ko. That lessens my steps for this and my products. Second, kung naka-eyelash extension sana ako, edi sana 6 products lang. Starting off with... Kailangan pa bang memorize yan? I really couldn't find a local one na ipapalit ko dito or alternative nito. Especially kung mga ganito na konting products lang yung pwede kong gamitin. Sobrang ganda talaga. Hindi masyado yatang maganda yung lighting. Nandito yung bintana. Anyway, I just put it with my fingers. Just really balanced out my skin tone without me looking like I'm wearing concealer. Spot concealing brush. Dito lang naman ako usually sa may baba. May mga spots. Ayan. Hindi ako mapakali sa lighting natin. Itiisin ko na lang. Next, we're gonna set it na. Kung ito lang ang pwede kong gamitin, I would rather use powder products than cream products alone. toBeauty. Local to, di ba? Loose powder in the shade Almond. Happy Skin Powder Puff. Fluffy brush. Tayo kung ako gano'ng sobrang pigmented. Mag-ingat tayo dito. Tap off the excess. And then I just... Woo! Lagyan din natin sa kabila. Uy! Wala lang. Just keep blending. Okay na yung kinuha ko isang dip for my entire face. Ayan. Para may color lang yung eyes natin. And you may want to add also color. Yung mga tira-tira na lang na product kasi medyo nakakatakot siya eh. Ayan. Yeah, I think we're okay. Blush. Ganda. Ayan, girl. Ganda. You have a blush and the highlight already. These are the kinds of blushes that you use kapag nagmamadali ka. So, ang ganda. Freshness lang. Tapos, lagyan natin ng konti sa eyes. Ganyan lang naman lagi ko ginagawa. I just put it all over my face. And then, lagay tayo ng konti sa nose. Just put it all over. Nilagay ko na sa buong mukha ko talaga, di ba? Ang ganda. We have 3 more products. Sobrang konti talaga ng lashes ko. So, I'm gonna use this sa isang eye ko because ito yung gusto kong gamitin for this video. But I also received this just recently and gusto ko na rin siyang itry. So, itry natin siya. I'm gonna use it on the other eye. Curl muna natin yung lashes natin. It's the BLK in my right eye. You see na agad the difference, oh. Plus, it keeps my curl. Kahit na ang liit-liit lang ng lashes ko. Guys, tignan nyo kung gaano kaganda. From no lashes to pakak lashes real quick. It's gorgeous. Tignan nyo naman yung difference ng eyes ko. Okay, try natin si skin. I hope this is also as good. Okay. I love it already. Uy, ganda rin niya. Ang gaan niya pa. Actually, mas magaan siya than the BLK. It also my curl. Oh, lumalaban si sis. Girl, ang ganda din. This is 2 coats of Skin Beauty. Ganda, no? BLK on my right. Ay la, galing nyo. Galing ng mga local products natin, ha. Normally, I would do this before the mascara. Nakalimutan ko. In fairness, kahit na niyanig ako nung bronzer, for days na simple makeup look, I opt for lip tints rather than a lipstick. Either it's this one that I like using or yung go-to ko talaga. Pero yun ginagamit ko pag tipong yun lang, wala nang iba. Para lang may color ako sa lips tsaka sa cheeks. Water, lip, and cheek tint. For this look na gusto kong medyo mukhang plakado, the lip mallow, it's so soft on my lips and it lasts talaga ng sobra. Actually, I can do this makeup under 5 minutes or 5 minutes siguro without the but this is the look. Kung ba yan? May isang perasong straight. Ano na? So this is the final look. This is my very easy everyday summer makeup look here in the Philippines.